Hi, grade 4. Hi, grade 4. I'm Miss Iman Sayed from Learning Teacher Iman channel. Today I will make a revise on Unit 2. Last class we finished Unit 1. Today I will make a revise on Unit 2. But before I will go to our revise today, I would like to say don't forget to share, like, subscribe to my channel, send you new videos. Let's go to our revise today. Today I will revise Unit 2. Last class I revised Unit 1. The Unit 2 today is about desert animals. In this unit, we took fennec, fox, camel, spider, snake, crocodile, lizard. This vocab I would like to keep it, and as we explaining in the video, I would like to to get paper and pencil and write it. Okay, to keep. It's important to keep. Have finished fox, camel, spider, snake, crocodile, resort. Resort. All of us will see resort in the garden. Okay, in gardens. Let's answer this question. Snakes and crocodiles are very dangerous. Okay, we know during the lesson that are very dangerous, but they have an important task, which is or job. What is the important job of these scary animals? Snakes and crocodiles. They eat what? They eat insects. So I put here insects. They eat insects, birds, and lizards. This stays the number of these small animals. What this do? What controls? I'm saying this controls. They are pupils. Grade 4. We sometimes think some animals are space or ugly, scary or ugly. Okay, let's answer this question. A crocodile is what is huge and scary. All of us see the crocodile. Let's see the picture. This is huge, huge, and what and scary. Okay, and if we see it, okay, we are scary and frightened from it. Okay, a crocodile is huge and scary. Which animal are helpful? Spiders. So I select number 2 by number A. Spiders eat what? Eat insects. They are clever pupils. Some animals are scary, but what? But they do what? They are scary, but they are important. But they are important. So I select the number 4 by number B. Let's go to another one here. Here we have question. This question. What can I do? We have subject plus verb plus object. What can we answer this question? We say how the sentence in English consists of this rule: subject, verb, and object. But when we make a question, we replace the verb instead of what in subject, like this sentence. How does it feel? So the answer could be, how does it feel? How does it feel? And I put what at the end of the sentence? I put a question mark at the end of the sentence. Look at all these animals. Look at all these animals. All Look at these all animals. Look at all these animals. Look at all these animals. Look at the no. It could be wrong. It could be the suitable sentence. It could be look at these. Look at these all animals. Look at these all animals. Look at these all animals. These all animals. Because here we have a demonstrative pronoun. Look at these all animals. Let's go to another one. Another picture. Here we have amazing desert animals language vocals. Here we have plate, food, large, delicious, okay, noisy, hum, fuel, food. I would like to listen on the dictionary to know the good pronouns of it. Okay, to know the correct pronouns of it. Okay, okay.
Huh. Fur.
Yes.
Fur.
Here we listen the correct pronounce of fair. Okay, let's go to another one here. Here is the comparative adjectives. I explained this lesson on videos. If you want to, I explained in my videos on the channel. If you want to know more about this topic, you can to the videos and watch what I explained on. Okay, here is I repeat again to remind you what is the comparative adjectives. We have the comparison when we say comparative. So what I can mean by comparative, I compare between two things or two persons. Like what? Like when we say Ahmed is taller than Ali, Mona is more is shorter than Noha, for example. So here I select by what? By two persons. So the comparative is the comparative between two persons, two animals, two things. Let's study the examples to know more about this topic. Horses are faster than camels. The lion is stronger than the fox. So this called short adjective. What I can do is the short adjective by adding er to the adjective like this and adding then to the adjective. You must know the difference between the comparative form and superlative form. We will talk it later and we know more about this. Okay, this is the difference between them. Okay, we have er here, we have er here, and that. And I will say you about the adjectives with two syllables. Adjectives with two syllables, what we can do in the comparative using more adjectives than. You can say more beautiful than, more comfortable than, more expansive than. Okay, when the adjectives end with e or r, say like this, it will be longer, it will be finer, nicer. Okay, is new hotel, is new hotel, is the new hotel nicer than the old one, the old hotel? No, 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 the old one, the old hotel. Is the new hotel nicer than the old hotel? Let's go to another one. Here we have some constant adjectives after one vowel, like this. We have big, bigger. When we have a vowel here, we double the letter to be like this: bigger, fatter, thinner, hotter. My bag is bigger than your bag. Here we have why, as we told in the past simple and in the in the in the plural form. We have why, omit y, and adding ies or ied. Here we adding the what we do in y. We omit I and adding ier like this. Heavy, heavier. Happy, happier. Easy, easier. Noisy, noisier. Scary, scarier. Parrots are noisier than spiders. Here we have, as we told you, I tell before we go later about more and less. Okay, when we say more, we use more. When we have long adjective, we use more or less than, more adjective than, or less adjective than, like this. More danger than, less danger than. So the adjective of more than one syllable, we use more or less. Okay, let's go to another item here. Here here we use the question form how. How tall is the camel? So we can say it's 1.8 or 2 meters. How long does the horse live? So I select about the time that the horse lives. Lives around what, around 55 to 30 years. How heavy is the horse? So here I ask about what? I ask about weight. It's 380 till 550 kilogram. How fast is the camel? It's 65 kilometers per hour. Let's answer the questions below. The rabbit is space than a dog. It's smaller. Here we have than. Smallest, small is. So the answer, it will be smaller. Why we use smaller? Because we have ER here and we have that. Lions are more dangerous than. It will be than. How space is the horse? It's kilometer per hour. It's 88 kilometer per hour. So it will be what? How fast? How fast? As we told here. We told here. How fast? So the answer, it will be how fast. Let's go to another one. I answer two of this sentence. I will leave the rest to do it again. As we told here, subject. I will write a rule for this question. I will write the rule. I will write the rule when we answer this question. I will write this rule to answer this question in a good way. Here we have elephants. Then are female dogs. So the answer, it will be dogs. This is subject. Dogs are thinner than elephants. Are thinner than elephants. Are thinner than elephants. Here we have camels are more beautiful than horses. So the answer, it will be, as we told you before, that in the question form we use the verb instead of what on subject, like this. We replace the verb instead of subject in what question form. Don't do it in every sentence. In every sentence we use subject, verb, object. If we have an interrogative or question form, we replace the verb instead of what on subject, like this sentence. So the answer, it will be are are horses more beautiful than camels? It will be are horses. Our horses. You can say both. If you say are horses more beautiful than camels, okay, you say if camels are camels more beautiful than horses, is the same. Okay, it's in the same. Are horses more beautiful than camels, more beautiful? Because the answer, it will be with right, with yes or no. Okay, are more beautiful? Are horses more beautiful than camels? Are horses more beautiful than camels? Than camels? And I would put what at the end of the sentence here. I put a question mark at the end of the sentence. And I will put question mark at the end of the sentence. Okay, let's go to another question here. Let's go to another question here. How space is the horse? How long? How fast? How heavy? How tall? So here we talk about what? About a weight. So it will be how heavy. A snake is a space danger than fox. So we in the adjective is two syllables. We use what? We use more. Horses eat space and they drink fresh water. It what? Grass. Okay. Horses can live in their space, in the desert, in sea, in water, in river. The horses live in what? We all see the horses in what? In desert. We will go to the pyramid, you see horses and camels here, there. Okay, the pelican and the pier. This is pelican. Bow, flow, beak, and pier. I will leave this to do it as a homework. A pelican and a pier are in the river. They are very what? They are very hungry. They are both looking at a big juicy fish. The pier reaches for the fish and it lifts it's what it's lifts its what its bow lifts its bow. The pelican opens its beak. Opens its what its beak. It's ready to take a fish. Its beak. Okay, its beak. This is the beak. This is the opens its beak. The pier reaches for the fish. It left its what? Its bow. Left its bow. What's bow? This is bow. This is the bow. Back to it here. What can I do this sentence? Here we have the in capital in small letter. I write it in capital letter and I put the full stop at the end of the sentence. Okay. Let's go to another one. This is the answer of this question. You must underline the wrong letter and that you answer it. Let's go to another one. Here we have phoenix, fox, reem, ghazal, goat, and horse. This is the animals we took it here in this lesson. Let's go to another to answer. Here we have plants, leaves, and reem, ghazals eat. So the answer it will be reem, ghazals eat plants and leaves. So here, what can I answer this question? By starting with what subject, verb, and object, as we thought. This is the subject, the phoenix fox. Here we have this is the subject, which verb has what? Has big ears. The phoenix fox has big ears. Okay. Reem Ghazal look what? Look very beautiful. The phoenix fox eats it's what? Insects and lizards. I will write. This is the correct answer. Reem Ghazals have space, have long horns. The phoenix fox lives in what? In the desert. So what can I do this? I underline. I underline here the underline the wrong letter. Here we have where. Where write in what? Write in capital letter. And what can I put here? I put a question mark. Why I put here question mark? Because it's what? It's a question. Where do Reem Ghazal read? Okay, let's go to another one. This is a general exercise in the unit. The crocodile is small. Can you know that crocodile is small? It will be right or false. True or false? No, it's false. Spiders are very helpful. Yes, yes, it will be true. Snakes and crocodiles are very dangerous. Yes, are very dangerous. but as we told that it answers to control numbers of animals on the number of insects in the land. Okay, so snakes and crocodiles are very dangerous. Yes, it will be true. Crocodiles eat vegetables and fruit. To be right or false. An elephant stays than a bird. It's about 2,000 kilograms. It would be what? It would be bigger. Why I select bigger here? Because we have than. So I select this one. Crocodiles are space dangerous than spiders. More, as we told you before, that in comparative form we use more adjective than. So the answer could be more. Some birds have long what? Have long beaks, have long ears, have long eyes. Can you guess with me and answer we will select the correct one. Can you say long beans? All of us know beans. All of us know long hair, ears. All of us know eyes. Here we have eat, to eat. So the birds eat with what? Eat with beaks. So some birds have long beaks to eat. Green gazelles have yellow white space. Coats, leaves, ears, eyes. Have white, yellow and white coats. Not leaves, not ears, not eyes. It is coats. Coats means the fur on it. Okay, so the answer to be coats. Not leaves, not ears, not eyes. Coat is like this. Okay, coat like this. Okay. Let's go to another one here. My family likes to visit zoo. Last Friday, we visited Giza Zoo. We saw different animals. Some animals are space like snakes. Some animals are dangerous. Some animals help us like what? Like what? It's strong. Some animals help us like they space. It's strong. Like help us like what? Here like camel. Camel. It's strong. The crocodile is huge. What is huge and scary? I answered this question in the previous page. Okay, the crocodile is what? Huge and scary. Which animals are helpful? Spiders. Spiders eat insects. Some animals are scary, but they are important. Here we have a text and we answer the questions below. Okay, let's read the text and answer the question. Camels are very helpful. They carry things and people in the desert. They can live without water for a long time. Horses are helpful too. They are very fast and they can carry heavy things too. Horses can live up to 30 years. Horses can live up to 30 years, while camels can live up for 40 years. So which one is live more than other? The camels. Why? Because they strong and they can live more than the horses. 40 years. Horses and camels are good for desert. The text is about what? Gazelles, horses, camels, animals in Egypt. No, it's about what? It's about not gazelles, horses and camels. I can say animals in Egypt. Animals in Egypt. No. The text about horses and camels. About this is not select horses and camels. You can say horses. So I select animals in Egypt horses. Okay, but here in this text talk about horses and camels. Horses can live in space, live up to how many years? 30 years. But camels live about what? About 40 years. Okay. Where do camels live? Live in what? In desert. Summarize the second paragraph in one sentence. The second paragraph into one sentence. It will be I can summarize the second paragraph. I can say here second paragraph in one sentence. Second paragraph. This is the first. You can say horses are helpful. The job of horses and I can write it in one sentence. Job of horses and the camels. Can say like something like this. Horses and camels, and the main job of horses, the main job of horses and camels. Or we can say also the period of the period of horses and the period of horses and camels, and how they how long they live, camels and horses. But I would like to say the main job of horses and camels. I summarize this sentence on this way. The job of camels and the main job of camels and horses. Okay. I will leave it to do it as a homework. I answer some of it. So I answer the last one. Small day fish eats the pelican. So I can answer this question. I can answer by what? The pelican. This is the subject. The pelican. Which verb? This verb eats. Eats what? Small fish. So the sentence will be incorrect. I will leave the rest to do it as a homework. Here we have punctuate. What can I correct this one? Here we have do. Do in small letter. I will write it in capital letter. And I will put what is at the end of the sentence. I will put question mark. Don't forget to put a question mark in the question. Okay. I will leave I will leave this topic to do it as a homework. During the lesson, we know more about Phoenix Fox. You can write about the Phoenix Fox and send it to me in the channel to see you how to write. During the lesson, I explain. Okay, I will leave it to make your mind on doing this topic. Okay. Today I finished I finished the revise on unit 2. Next class I will revise unit 3. Thanks a lot until we meet again. Goodbye.